What's up, you guys? So I build swimming pools for a living. I pretty much have unlimited access to all the dirt I could want. So for this pool, I just took all the dirt in a trailer over to my brother's house. That way we could have something to start with. And then the rest of the dirt we're just going to take from what he has. And if we ever need to add more, then we can always just grab more dirt from another pool build. What's up, you guys? We're headed to my brother's house right now to get started on the track. Got the skiddy on the back. It's already 5 o'clock, so we'll probably only get a few hours in. Plus it's hot as hell out here, so see what we can get done. We're gonna move the piles of dirt around and try and get the basic layout of the track kind of figured out. Haven't really talked to him about that yet, so we'll see what happens, but let's get there and see what we can do. For the day, ran out of dirt. Trying to see the track. That's what we were going for with the basic layout. I didn't even think I'd have that much dirt, but we were able to get a pretty good setup going. Looks pretty good. I'm pretty stoked I was able to get this much done. This is pretty much the picture we both had in our head without even talking to each other. And I kind of messed up here. I made this berm too tight and I pushed it out like at least 3 times, and then when I started making this berm, I turned around and looked at where that one was going to be and realized I was still too tight. But size wise it rides perfect, and it's still wide enough to roll a mini quad through it, or even a full-size quad. It'll work basically. But our goal with this track is to have something that we can bring our nephews on, our kids one day, and just to teach them how to ride on. So everything's going to be basically rollover, easy, even power wheel friendly. So we have a F-150 power wheel and a quad power wheel, so they'll be able to roll up and over everything and cruise around, just to teach them young, get them on the dirt early, show them some skills, and it should be really fun. I mean, my brother's got tons of more land here to expand the track on if we want to. So we're probably going to continue his fence right behind there across the whole back so he can have his garden, his little bit of farmland. He got rid of his chickens, so that's gonna go away. We probably use a third of the lot width-wise over here, so we still have 2 times that width to go in that way. We have, the front yard's another huge section, but I mean, this will be plenty big for a while. This is bigger than any track we've been able to build at our houses in the past. So, and I mean, it's smaller than my track, but it's bigger. Like, everything's bigger. Turns are wider, everything's taller. The potential is bigger because it's his land, and to be secretive about anything. So what's up, you guys? I'm back out here for another day. We got the Mini X out here. Gonna do some shaping and some packing, maybe try and scrape up another roller or jump or something. just depends on how the dirt is and what I can get to come up. We're still gonna bring another few loads of dirt over here to add more stuff because we've got plenty of room for it. And, yeah. I'll set up a time lapse and we'll see what happens. Got a jump lip dug. We're gonna do a shoot, what did I call it? Jump from underground and land back into the ground and roll out into the ground. You probably won't be able to see too good because GoPros suck at night, but basically, I dug this big thing out. It's probably 4 feet deep, and then throwing it right there for a tabletop. When I dig out the landing for it, I'll throw some of that dirt on this tabletop to make it a little bit longer. It's too short right now. And then I'll also use some of it for this thing, make it a little bit wider on this side, and maybe a little taller. We might make this one look like a step up tabletop. Not really sure. It's just going to be super dirt. So the dirt on his property is pretty good, but it's really hard right now. It's just dried out from the summer, so we're going to keep selfing with the hose, and I'll try and get over here once or twice a week and do some digging. Hopefully we have a pool coming up soon where I can get some good dirt from. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the track layout, do a couple laps just because I feel like the videos aren't doing it justice what that track looks like and how the turns are and whatnot. So let's do a couple laps. Yeah. Alright. I think you get the idea. Alright, you guys, that's it for this one. We're going to cut it off right here. We're losing daylight, but this tabletop needs to be a little taller. We need to extend the side right here. It's just too narrow. But we'll get back to this track on the next video, and we'll move some dirt around. We need to get my brother's bike put back together so he can rip around with me, and I've got a little TTR project I'm putting together so I can be on a 52 instead of my little China bike. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, see you later. Peace.